हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। लास्ट वीक मैंने कहा कि थर्ड वर्ल्ड वॉर का रीजन क्रूड ऑयल नहीं हो सकता, दैट कैन बी द वाटर, एंड all the developing countries must learn from the America how to manage and utilize river water. Offers an important lesson for developing countries through dams, reservoirs, canals, irrigation networks, recycling system, hydroelectric projects, and scientific water management. Every possible drop is utilized productively before reaching the ocean. यानी वो एक पूरी की पूरी नदी को पी जाते हैं, उसकी एक एक बूंद को यूटिलाइज करते हैं. The key lesson for developing nations is clear. Water is not merely a natural resource but a strategic national asset. Efficient storage, distribution, conservation, and disciplined usage of water can transform agriculture industry, every production, and long-term economic stability. How the government can develop infrastructure? Number one, build large storage capacity, construct dams, reservoirs, rainwater harvesting system, and interconnected lakes to store excess rainfall and river water for future use. Number two, develop modern irrigation network, expand canals, drip irrigation, and pipeline based water distribution system to reduce wastage and improve agriculture productivity. Number three, create river linking and distribution system. Transfer surplus water from flood prone regions to water scarce area through scientific river linking projects and national water grids. Invest in water recycling and treatment. Treat and reuse wastewater for agriculture, industry, and urban usage instead of allowing valuable water to go unused. Number five, strengthen urban water infrastructure. Upgrade pipelines, reduce leakage losses, improve sewage system, and ensure efficient water supply management in cities. Number six, promote public-private participation. Encourage collaboration between government, private companies, engineers, and research institutions for faster execution and innovation. Use technology and data analytics. Implement satellite mapping, AI-based monitoring, smart meters, and predictive systems for better water planning and crisis management. Number eight, create long-term national policies. Infrastructure development requires continuity beyond political cycles. Stable multi-decade policies help build sustainable systems. 9. Educate citizens on conservation. Public awareness around responsible water usage is equally important. Infrastructure succeeds when supported by disciplined citizens. Number 10. Treat water as strategic capital. Nations that manage water efficiently strengthen food security, industrial growth, energy production, and social stability. The greater infrastructure investment for future may not be only be roads or the buildings, but the intelligent management of water, energy, and natural resources. Trust me, if the country is going to follow all the mentioned above 10 points, our GDP growth is going to increase by 1.5% per annum. I can bet on it. And we cannot delay or postpone any of the above mentioned 10 points, we have to do it now. Now means now. And look at the results. How the economy is going to scale up in future. Now if I tell you the Ganga river's water flow is approximately 11,18,760 cubic meters or roughly 1.1 billion liters per minute on average. मैं क्या बोल गया कि it is about 39.5 million cubic feet per minute. इतना पानी का बड़ा resources from just one river. Imagine how many rivers we have in India. If this can be managed, just think of the luxury we can have. We are sitting on such a big resource. This I am talking about only Ganga river. And we have many rivers. And if we can manage and use this resource where the India can reach, अगर गंगा का एक एक बूंद पानी हम यूज कर सकते हैं और इतना बड़ा फ्लो ओशन में गिरने से रोक सकते हैं, तो वेयर आवर इकोनॉमी कैन रीच बाय just following above mentioned 10 points.